that's my WhatsApp number, 0978021254. Those who want to reach me out can just reach me out on WhatsApp. So there's one thing which I want you to understand about vectors. Vectors, normally we are looking at quantities which are what? Directions. So we'll look at 2020 paper 2 question 6 and 2019 paper 1 question 6. So there's one thing which you need to understand about vectors, that they are similar to coordinates. No wonder, have you seen here it's in form of a coordinate, then here in that expression in terms of like a matrix, it's one and the same. So you need to understand that this value, this means like it's the same as the -3, 2 in terms of coordinates, but in terms of columns it's same as this. So at times maybe they can even write it in form of this. You need to understand, but what is more important is for you to understand the basics, which is always the point has to come from origin. It has to start from somewhere, going to somewhere from the origin. So like for you to have PQ, meaning that you had something before that. So for instance, this one, they're saying that PQ is that, so meaning that you need to draw origin, then you say to went to P, you see, then to went to Q. Then this was a vector. Have you seen? PQ. That's what we are having now as the 3, 2. So what is your OP? You don't know. And what is your OQ? You don't know. Not so. OP you have been given. P is this vector. Not so. So this is how you go about. So the secret is that if you go against the directions, you need to put a negative. So for instance, PQ, have you seen the way we are moving? PQ. So for you to reach at PQ, how can you move? PQ is what vector should you add? It is either you can start from P or, have you seen? So meaning that this is negative, moving against the arrow, plus or OQ. OQ, I'm going in the direction of what? Of an arrow. So no wonder, no need of a negative. So I would say PQ is the same as vector PQ is the same as, or you can say QO. Have you seen? No wonder it is even becoming negative. When you just say a letter without then O comes second, just know it's a negative. No wonder it has to be O. Or something means positive. Take note of that. So like for this one, you say that PO, which is negative, or not so. So when I say PO, it is just the same as negative OP, not so. Moving to OP in the negative. So you see, so when you see PO or whatever letter it is, just the same with QO. So long as O is, you're not starting with O, and always put this. So long as you're not starting with O, meaning that it's just the negative of what you put the opposite, which is OQ, not so. So no wonder, in what direction? For you to find PQ, meaning that you need to move from P to O, then O to Q. So I said this one, P is coming first, then O later. No wonder I'm saying that it's negative what? Negative OP direction plus what is it? This is O Q, not so, plus, no wonder, plus it is what? OP. Then if you say a negative, which is the same as OQ minus OP, not so. Then what are we looking for? This is PQ. What are we looking for? We're looking for the point for what? For Q. So for Q, the meaning that this one has to go the other side. So here you have OQ as PQ, then this will be plus OP, not so, because your PQ you do have, and your OP you have been given this O P, point P, which is the same as OP is the same as, so you need to put it in this form, which is the same as 1, 4 in column, because this is the same as 1, 4 in coordinate form, like I explained at the beginning. So from there you replace now. So you see, if you don't know matrices, you can't understand this. So you replace now, -3, 2 plus that is 1 4. From there you add, it is -2 6. So therefore q is, you're not done, so which is -2 comma what, comma 6, then you're done.